Namaskar friends, this is Naren Tiwari from UP. I welcome you all in our Offlip Solutions Private Limited. Friends, Offlip is providing franchise partnership. You people, any Offlip Prime member can be franchisee owner. You can start your business from today. And you can earn a lot of money by taking the franchisee ownership, by becoming the franchisee partner with Offlip. Friends, you can get a lot of money. You can fulfill all your dreams by receiving, by getting this franchisee of Offlip. Friends, let's move. I would like to tell you what will be the benefits of franchise, how and from where you people are going to get income. Friends, first of all, not only Offlip is providing franchisee business opportunity to be the owner of your own area. Besides Offlip, there are so many companies who has created franchisee business module. Even you can see 500 plus franchisee business opportunities are available in India. People are taking the franchisee, but they are not getting the money because they have to, the persons who are taking the franchisee of other companies, they have products. And if you want to earn money, you have to sell the money and you have to invest a lot of money for taking the franchisee. And you also need a big place. You also need big place. You also need office. You also need warehouse to keep the products. And accept this, accept a big amount of investment of money. Friends, you have to sell the products. Until you are not going to sell the products, you are not going to get the money. So it's not easy to be able to survive in other companies franchisee ownership. But Offlip is providing you a very easy module of franchisee from where you can fulfill all your dreams. How? Let's move on. Yes, friend, in front of you, you can see here Offlip franchise business module. There are three types of franchisee: state franchisee, district franchisee, and area franchisee, which is known as block franchisee. You can see here three categories are franchise in Offlip. Let's move. Who can be the franchisee ownership? Who can take the franchisee of Offlip? Either state or district or block. Who can take? So friends, let me tell you, you must be the member of Offlip first, and second, you must have at least education 10th pass. 10th pass you must be. And also you must have experience in sales and MLM field. Next, you must have minimum a smartphone. A smartphone is required to do this business. And you must have good communication skill and a leadership. Also, apart from this, you must be ready to work in your area 24/7. If you are able to fulfill these criterias, whatsoever that I told you, you can take the franchisee of Offlip. Let's move on. Kinds of franchise income. From where franchise are going to get the income, means to say source of income from where you are going to get. First income, friend, from your area, any member who is taking the digital services, digital package who is taking, you will get the income. It means to say, by ID activation from your area, you are going to get income. Second, from your area, mobile and TV recharge, any member who is doing, you will get the income. Off-flip store, off-flip mart, shopping income you will get. Any member from your area who will purchase, who will repurchase, you will get the income. All types of bill payment is going to be done by in your area, by your area people, you will get the income. Off-flip study means education application. From here you will get also the income. Area store, shopping income. And also so many other income opportunities are coming very soon. The incomes will be added in the list. So many, not only one, two, so many incomes you are going to get. Means area franchises are going to get a lot of incomes from their areas. This is just a few examples that I am telling you. Let's move on. Estimated income, friend. Digital service means to say ID activation income for the area franchisee. Now I am going to concentrate only on area franchisee, block franchisee. If you are taking, how you are going to get. Friends, just this is a calculation. Suppose that in your area, in your block, total population may be, suppose some block may be 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, that like that fluctuating may be, not exact. We will take an example. Suppose in your block there are total 10 lakhs population, and out of 10 lakhs, Android mobile phone users are only 5 lakhs. Also out of these 5 lakhs, off-flip members are only 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs only off-flip members. And out of these 2 lakhs off-flip member, only 1 lakhs member who has done their ID green. Means they have done the ID activation for doing the business. 1 lakhs people. And every ID activation, either 499 or 1599. From both, you will get 20 rupees. If 1 lakhs ID activation has been done from your own area, so every block franchisee, area franchisee owner will get 20 lakhs rupees income. 20 lakhs rupees, friend. Not a very small income, a very huge income is this. And not only this, suppose if any block population may be 15 lakhs, Android mobile users will be 7.5 lakhs. Out of them, off-flip member will be only 3 lakhs. ID activation may be only 1.5 lakhs. Your income will be exceeded. 30 lakhs rupees will be. Friends, like that, the more the block population will increase and Android users will be increasing, off-flip member will be increasing, ID activation will be increasing, the more your income will be increasing. Even 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs money you can earn by ID activation from off-flip. Friends, a very big income that you are going to get. Let's move on other income. Yes, again mobile TV recharge income. Every month people are doing this income. Every month consumers, off-flip consumers, not only off-flip consumers, everyone is doing the mobile recharge and TV recharge. From there, area franchisee will get the income. Friends, same calculation will be as previous slide. Suppose if in your block the population will be 10 lakhs, out of 10 lakhs, off-flip members will be only 2 lakhs, and these 2 lakhs people, if they are doing the recharge, just we will take the example 239 rupees. Some people will be doing 300, 400, 500. But we will take an example. We will take a calculation. Suppose these 2 lakhs people are doing their mobile recharge 239. The 239, one consumer, total off-lip members are 2 lakhs. Just multiply it, the amount will be 4.7 lakhs crore rupees. And suppose if by their recharge amount, off-lip members are getting only 1%, only 1%, they are getting 5% in off-lip, but we will calculate only 1%, friend. So these 1%, 4.78 crore rupees is out of them. The 1% commission will go, total commission will be 4.7 lakhs rupees. 4 lakhs 78,000 rupees will be this cashback. And this cashback, 1%, will be distributed in 2 lakhs member, friend. And what will be the your income? Area franchisee income, what will be out of this 4.78 lakhs cashback? 10%. 10% you will get. Just you do the calculation yourself. 4.78 lakhs rupees is this 10%, your income will be 47,800 rupees is your income will be by mobile and TV recharge, friend. A very, not only very small income, friend, a very big income is this. Like that same, the calculation, the off-lip member users will increase in your area, your income also will increase. This income will be, suppose 15 lakhs any block population, and out of this 3 lakhs off-lip member will be, and their recharge amount will be by 239, 7.17 crore, and 1% out of this, only 1% cashback people will get, the amount will be 7.17 lakhs rupees. Out of this cashback, 10% will be area franchisee income, means to say 71,700 rupees is your income will be, friend. This is not a very small income, a very big income. Like that the same, the following, even you can cross 1 lakhs and 1.4 lakhs, fourth one. It will be depending on in your area how much people will be using off-lip app. The more off-lip member will be, the more income you will get. Suppose if in this month you have 1 lakhs off-lip member user, you will get according to that. And next month will be 2 lakhs, you will get on 2 lakhs. Next month will be 3 lakhs, you will get the 3 lakhs on 3 lakhs. Guys, total whatsoever in this your consumer will be increasing in your area. Their service they will be using it from your area. They will be getting the cashback, and you will get the cashback 10%. On consumers cashback 10%, every area franchisee is going to get from their own areas. The friend, on mobile and TV recharge, a very big income that you are going to get. Let's move on another income, friend. See, off-lip mart, off-lip store, area store income, friend. Same calculation is going. Just listen it very carefully. Suppose that block population will be 10 lakhs, and out of this 10 lakh population, only 2 lakhs will be off-lip member.
200 received on PhonePe.
2 lakhs member will be off-lip member, and the recharge, the repurchasing amount, suppose friend, only 500. Every house, their repurchase amount is minimum 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, maybe some 10,000 and more also. But we are calculating here only 500. Repurchase amount only 500. These 2 lakhs people are repurchasing from off-lip only 500. The 2 lakhs into 500 rupees, the calculation will be 10 crore rupees. And from off-lip store and off-lip mart, friend, off-lip mart, the minimum cashback that off-lip member are getting 5%, up to 50%. But we are calculating here only 10%, friend. Only 10%. This 10 crore rupees is on their repurchase, and if people are getting only 10%, the 1 crore rupees is cashback will be distributed amongst 2 lakhs people. And what will be the income of area franchisee? Friend, 10%. This 1 crore rupees is 10% will be area franchisee income. Friend, it's a very, here is something mistake, friend. 1 crore rupees is your income will increase. Let me tell you, I will clear it. Yes, friend, here is only 10 lakhs, not 10 crore. This will be 10 lakhs, friend. So this 10 lakhs rupees is, crore is wrong, 10 lakhs rupees is will be. The area franchisee income will be 10 lakhs rupees is. Same like that, friend, cashback, the more population will be and the more off-leaf member will be increasing. This 3 lakhs off-leaf member will be if in any area, in any block, and 500 rupees is repurchasing they will be doing. So friend, 3 lakhs into 500 equal to 15 crore rupees is, and on 10% we are calculating 1.5 crore. This cashback will be distributed among 3 lakhs people, and out 1.5 crore rupees is, out of them only 10% will be, this will be 15 lakhs rupees is, friend. 15 lakhs, not crore. Don't mistake it. This is typing mistake. So 15 lakhs rupees will be given. So friends, like that, the more off-leaf member will be increasing in your area, your income also will be increasing, area franchisee. So friend, from by taking the area franchisee or district or state, so I am calculating here, telling you the estimation about only area franchisee. So friend, a very big income that from here you are going to get off-leaf mart and off-leaf store. Next, I am going to tell you on bill payment. Every 25 plus bill payments are available in off-leaf, and people are doing here bill payment. If you are taking the area franchisee from your area, people are doing off-leaf members are doing the bill payment. There also you will get the income. How? Suppose 10 lakhs populations are here, and only 5 lakhs off-leaf member will be here, and the bill payment transaction numbers, friend, numbers, remember, bill payment transaction numbers. If 2 lakhs transaction bill payment will be done, 2 lakhs, and 5 lakhs off-leaf member will be, just multiply it, the 2 lakhs cashback on 1 rupees is every transaction 1 rupee. So 2 lakhs transaction, the 2 lakhs rupees will be here. 2 lakhs rupees will be here. And same here, friend, your income, area franchisee income will be 10%. It means 2 lakhs, 10% will be 20k, 20,000 rupees is income you will get by bill payment from your area. The off-leaf member who will be doing the bill payment, you will get here 20,000 rupees. Same like that, friend, if off-leaf member in any, suppose total block population will be 15 lakhs and off-leaf member will be 10 lakhs and 3 lakhs total transaction bill payments will be. And how 3 lakhs and also 1 rupee, the 3 lakhs rupees is bill payment, cashback they will get. Only 1 rupee cashback they will get. So 3 lakhs transactions who are doing, they will get. And these, out of this 3 lakhs payment cashback, area franchisee will get 30,000 rupees because 10% you are getting. Friend, remember, every member, why we are calculating here the number of transactions? Because suppose if me, I am also doing my bill payment, electricity, water bill payment, gas bill payment, like that so many. Every member will be doing the transaction, will be doing the bill payment, not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minimum 6 to 7. Even policy they are doing. So from there you are getting the cashback. Means 5 to 10 bill payments that you are doing every month. That's why the here calculation is done on bill payment number. So on bill payments, area franchisee is also going to get a huge amount of income, friend. Let's move on. Another income by off-lip study. Off-lip is also has done the work on study, education way. The friends, nursery to up to 12th class. This education system is also available, and from there, a very easy system will be followed by off-lip, and our kids, our students, they can understand very easily, and they can get the education a very easy way. Parents are also not going to take the extra burden for their kids. So from your area franchisee area, suppose block population will be 10 lakhs and their off-lip member will be only 2 lakhs. Member educational application, people who will be purchasing this off-lip study, 1 lakhs people. Every purchase 1000 rupees area franchisee is going to get. 1000 rupees. The total will be here 10 CR. Means 10 crore rupees even you can get here income, friend. A very big income opportunity is also here available on education system. The more off-lip member will increase in your area, the more people will buy off-lip study from your area, your income will increase. You have seen here a very big income opportunity for all the area franchisee, and off-lip is spreading area franchisee, district franchisee, state franchisee all over India, and people there are rush to take this franchisee. So I hope you have understood the benefits of off-lip area franchisee, and hopefully it's very important business opportunity in India, because here you are not going to sell any kind of products. Unless you are not going to sell any products, you are not going to get the income. Nothing like that. You don't have to sell anything. You don't need for any office to set up. You don't need any big warehouse to take the area franchisee. So I hope you have understood this thing, and any problem, any queries, feel free to contact us. Off-lip management is ready to support you 24/7. Thank you so much.